Designed by W. Architect, the Sleepless Residence is a contemporary home which located in the Saphon Sung district of Bangkok, Thailand. Panoramic view of the lake, spotting from this site, blissfully surrounded by nature, between the lake and the sky, like staying in a wonderful private resort, which makes dwellers don't want to go anywhere. The inner courtyard at the center of the house, connected all spaces, grants the owner to connect with green views all day long. The priority thing the architects focused on is how to optimize the panoramic view of the lake, which recalled us to the space of an amphitheater, which will increase our range of visual contact. Imagine when we are at the upper level looking down through the lower level, the front-seated audience wouldn't obstruct our eyesight. On the other hand, if we are at the lower level, looking up to the upper level, we will simultaneously face all of the upper-seated audience. A similar case to this house, if we are at the bedroom, looking at the lakeside, we can look through the inner courtyard and living room to spot the lake view. On the other side, if we are in the living room beside the lake, looking back to the bedroom side, we will see the steps of the green terraces, which covered up a parking space that we wouldn't want to see. If we are at the working space on the second floor, take a look at the downstairs amphitheater garden. You will be able to see more green space than a plain flat garden. The home decorated in loft style, with an eclectic mix of European vintage furniture. The brick-look tile, rotated a bit, and lay them vertically piece by piece, with the 2 cm thick bricks, which the rear side typically have a groove for mounting to the wall, turned fluted side out to make a unique difference. The selected materials for this house were inspired by the owner's interior decoration of the previous house and the Chandelier music office. To keep privacy and more possible to absorb more heat from morning sunlight in the master bedroom at the front of the home, which parallel with the roadside, the architects designed facade to cover all of this part with brick attractive walls. Besides those effective heat-preventing functions, it's generate good ventilation, which advantage to an interior wall surface temperature as well. Besides, dwellers will be more connected to nature. However, the enclosing space of the house won't allow the outsiders to spot anything inside the house as well. Here's a look at the plan. The enclosing space of this house allows him to be more relaxed and relieve, which met his need to not only concentrating on composing music, but also creating an area to party with friends. The owner's dream about design of this house is not an outstanding form, but space and atmosphere.